Hey, Sweden finally got some rain. It's amazing. All this sun is lovely. But really, we need some rain too. Or the ground will get dry, forest will burn, we'll get no groundwater. We'll be like California. So this is a blessed day for Sweden. Some people might say, oh fuck man, it's raining. That's such bullshit. We had such a good run with the sun. But really, this is a blessing. So remember, shift your mind, shift your thinking, shift your way of looking at things, and you will live a happier life. And this does not only apply to rain. Stay blessed.